Hello, I'm Austin Edens, 2003 World Champion Blacksmith. I'm excited to introduce my design in collaboration with Scott Anvil. I have spent the last year and a half perfecting the design of this anvil. Today, we're going to go over the features of our new anvil. Our anvil has many unique features to maximize forging efficiency. We have a V-shaped heel. We have a hardy hole close to the base. We have 2 anvil ledges. We have a 4.5-inch face. It has a 4.25-inch cutting table and a 4.25-inch round horn. A unique feature of this anvil is the V heel. It gives us a strong heel and it gives us the ability to taper, whether we're tapering a blacksmithing piece or we're tapering the branch of a shoe. It is often difficult to forge our branch after we have one branch turned, but this V heel design gives us the ability to get in here and forge our branch when we have our outside branch already turned. Then we still have a nice strong heel here and we can reach in there, forge our inside. If we need to, clean it up, make a nicer section. Another unique feature that this anvil has is our ledge. The ledge has a less than a 90-degree angle. This ledge comes in handy when we're making heel cocks, clips, Scotch heels, or whenever we need a good sharp edge at an acute angle on the side of the anvil. We have this feature on both sides of the anvil for whatever application you may need. This ledge is perfect. If you want to clean up the leading edge of your cock, you can just come in here, you can lift up a bit and bring it back and forge out all your imperfections to make a nice, crisp leading edge of your caulking. These opposing ledges make it really easy to make a nice crisp wedge. We can crisp up our branch on this ledge, and we can crisp up the leading edge of our wedge on this ledge. This ledge is also perfect for Scotch heels. So we can come here and we can shear that down. And we can still stay in that crevice. Turn in our quarter, and that edge typically pulls that out of that corner, but when we're on that ledge, it stays in that corner all the time. It's a game changer on making these heels. See, I'm still up in that corner, and I put a lot of late quarter in this draft shoe here. When you typically do a heel over the edge, you get a lot of nasty in here, but since we did it on the ledge, our edge stayed in that corner all the time, making a nice radius going to our heel. And we have a nice radius on the inside, nice check, then we'll just fold it up. It makes making the Scotch heels a breeze. Okay, when we set down our heel over the ledge of the anvil, we had a nice, clean, crisp area in here. Typically when you do it over the edge of the anvil with a radius, you kind of get some trash in here that you have to come in and clean up with your half-round file. So when I draw my source material, I'm not going to use the ledge on the off side of my anvil. I'm just going to line up my edge here. Now I'm going to come to the edge on the ledge on the near side of my anvil. And now it's easy for me to grab that material. I can move my shoe wherever I need to. I don't have to worry about it slipping off. Typically when we try to grab material for our clip, we're slipping off the edge. But this ledge gives us the ability to grab that material easily. I have a nice strong clip, not much trash behind my clip. This anvil design has a 1-inch hardy hole. Traditionally, hardy holes are out farther on the heel, but we move this hardy hole in closer, and when we put the swedge block in, we're over the base of the anvil. So our anvil is going to be more solid and not be walking all over the place when we're using a striker with a sledgehammer. This anvil has a nice round tapered horn, 4.25 inches at its widest point. Makes it nice for large draft shoes to make a nice radius for your toe. It also features a 4.25-inch cutting table with a 1-inch step for mini forging applications. I designed this face to be 4.5 inches to have a nice wide bearing surface for whatever projects you may be working on. This is one of the benefits of having that wide face. We can make a nice section across the wide face of the anvil.